Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. In this presentation, let us show the solution to 2025 Math Challenge problems for Grade 4 pupils. This is part 1 of Cut A. Let us begin with question number 1. Round off 3.674 or 3 and 674 thousandths to two decimal places. Here is our solution. We are given 3 and 674 thousandths to be rounded off to two decimal places. The digit on the second decimal place is the hundredths digit, which is 7. So to round this off to two decimal places, since the next digit is 4, that is less than 5, this is 3.67. Number 2. If 3 and 18 thousandths is equal to 3 plus 18 over blank, then what is the missing number in the box? Here is our solution. 3 and 18 thousandths can be written as 3 and 18 over 1,000. Hence, the number that is missing in the box is 1,000. Number 3. What is 500, 2 tenths, and 8 thousandths equal to? Here is our solution. We have 500 plus 2 tenths plus 8 thousandths, that is 0.008. Hence, 500, 2 tenths, and 8 thousandths is equal to 500.208 or 50208 thousandths. Number 4. Express 8 and 2 hundredths or 8.02 as a mixed number in simplest form. Here is our solution. 8 and 2 hundredths or 8.02 is equal to 8 plus 2 over 100, that is 2 hundredths. 2 over 100 can be simplified as 1 over 50. Hence, this is equal to 8 and 1 over 50 as mixed number in simplest form. Number 5. What is the decimal representation of P in the figure? Here is our solution. Notice that from 2 to 2.1, the interval is divided into 5 equal parts. Hence, this must be equal to 2.02, 2.04, that is 2.04, 2.06, 2.08, and 2.10 or 2.1. Hence, the value of P or the decimal representation of P is equal to 2.06. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino kids videos.